6 games. Player friend Kwabena Owusu, formerly of Bebiani Gold Stars, Okohasu Folk, has for terminating a contract. Contract as we speak a null and void. A dear a crowd of folk terminating the contract. And a player no to say ordinary edge right here for. Okay, say player we. Mmerɛ bi atwam Kotoko ani brɛ ho papa na after say Kotoko ani brɛ ho no Bebiani Gold Stars see you no ɛda de ende nyere bia wati ba ma Kotoko ɛna ɔmo ton no kɔ aburukyire no wankɔ ha straight to ɔkɔ aburukyire na anyeye no ɛna ɔmo ton no ba Ghana Kwabena Owusu nti ɔmo ton no ba Ghana no ɛna ɔno akra so folk ebedi kaso bom na akra so folk ɔbaaye no obo 6 games no the number of minutes oboye no meka kire wa one game bia no 90 minutes. It's one game bia no 90 minutes and the number of minutes oboye no 90 minutes but all appear 6 times ni nyina no me di Asia wa say has a try contract no man say there be almost say a mutual termination of contract. The mutual termination of contract no a man free agent player. Now free agent player no after here he fan no dey nature. Krobia Zuma na Krobia Zoom. But the details no air browser see aha a Super 24 TV. Information will be as in your top na yet the air bro right here on this channel Super 24 TV. Me and me Maria which I may affirm it. Na so Hamza ubit me affirm it blogman. Unsubscribe ya wada man no hit the rest subscribe button also or about so we are building together. Kotoko reaction also here 0247 107260 0247 107260 Kotoko reaction there enye circles group bia enye global ho bia eye Kotoko international reaction India bubu any ate point ewo ho. That the new story of this particular video is that Kwabena Owusu is no more a player of Accra Folk after going to Aburukyire Osaba joining House of Folk names at this time there. But players no omuntu omo for papa because player we tama obe free Bebiani Gold Stars now around the first round ogum tam in the 2024-2025 first round season no ebebe we no na Kotoko eni abre penepa yenya ne ekofa azip mintamo ne Samson Edukumo ebaye eventually player na Makotoko Aburukyire na didi omo adwim Aburukyire no so de bia me se onni anase wo CBNC fie wo ho se beto abrabo no so wo ho ukọ na ukuhu realities na wa beba Ghana so oba Ghana na Accra so focus so atwa the contract mu news about so oba Kotoko na de no kreba akokora ni